Hi everyone, welcome back to Anton's Cooking. If this is your first video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today we're going to be making a delicious Croatian octopus salad. The main part is obviously the octopus, which we'll be going to be boiling. And it's already going to be cleaned. We're going to be using clean octopus. We're going to boil it, and after that we're going to add some arugula, some lettuce, some lime, some olive oil, some vinegar, just a few flavors to spice things up, and it'll turn out amazing. So we have our water boiling. Right here, we have our water boiling, and we have our octopus right here ready to cook. And we're going to add half an onion, 2 bay leaves, and 2 garlic cloves for aromatics. So as soon as that water is boiling, we're going to begin cooking. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the head face down and all these tentacles facing upwards. We're going to leave it cooking for around 1 hour at medium-high heat, or until the octopus is soft. See you then. Now our water is finally boiling. We're going to add our octopus and our aromatics. Just remember, when cutting your onion, to have your half onion, try not to cry. It happens to the best of us. Okay, so first we're going to add our lovely octopus here. Head down, as I said, and tentacles up. So you put it in. You're going to add your half an onion, 2 bay leaves, and your 2 cloves of garlic. And look, it already stopped the sound. So we're just gonna leave it there for medium-high heat for around an hour. You'll be able to realize when it's soft and tender, and start cutting some veggies. I'm not crying. Now we have our chopped onions, minced garlic, and some parsley all mixed. We wait for our octopus to finish and start chopping up some octopus. So it's been about an hour, and our octopus is finally ready. So we're going to move it from the pot and start plating everything. So let's just gently remove it and place it in our container. Okay, so now that octopus is finally ready and it's cold, we're going to start chopping it. So place it into a cutting board. Then you're going to chop off all these parts. So now, all we're going to do is chop all the tentacles into bite-sized pieces and place it into a bowl. Okay, yeah, so cut up. We're going to put it into the bowl. And we're going to start dressing it. Now we're going to start dressing it. We're going to start by adding 1 to 2 lemons, depending on how big your octopus is. That was fairly small. Mine was about just less than 1 kilo. So just gonna add 1 lemon. Pour it into the octopus. Now, a bit of salt, some pepper to taste, and our olive oil. Just splash. Finally, a bit of white vinegar. So you can add some capers or olives to this, release the taste. So just add a little bit. And make this on. And finalizing our salad. So in a bigger bowl, Onions and garlic, parsley, all in there as well. Keep it open. This as well. And this is all mixed up and ready. I'm going to add our octopus. So we just put it in. And mix it in. Now, the reason I didn't add lettuce is because the lettuce being more flat is going to be put at the bottom of the dish and it's going to hold on the juices from falling out. So the lettuce is the only thing that we add last. Right? And this is your salad ready. Now you're ready to start plating. Now, the salad finally ready. And what we're going to do is we're going to get it now. So first, add some lettuce leaves to the bottom of your dish. This will serve to hold all the juices together. And it should turn out a bit like this. You can add more based on preference. This amount will do just fine. Now you have your base ready. What all you're going to do is serve some octopus salad. Now, how you serve is up to you. You can be great if you do it if you want. But I'm going to do this. I'm going to grab an ice cream scooper. Give me more the octopus. Place it on top. And serve to make the portions in good shapes. And I'm going to add about 2 to 3 scoops. This recipe is for about 3 to 4 servings, depending on what you want them. So, really excited to you. Finally, have our octopus salad done. Very easy to make. It just took a bit of time to see octopus salad to cook. You end with something looking like this. Now, finally, enjoy. So there we have it. Final cooked our delicious octopus salad. Now, so don't remember, follow me on the channel for more delicious recipes. Yeah, just enjoy your plate. And I'm going to enjoy mine. Okay, so as you saw, this was a really easy recipe to make. You just needed to boil some octopus, cut some veggies, and plate. It takes really basic cooking skills. Anyone can try it. And even if you already have practice in cooking, it's still delicious to make. So I hope you try it out and enjoy it.